Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making textures in our drawing. So today is part 2 and in part 1, we did the drawing of the scenery. So first we are going to make wave textures in the pond. Next, we are going to make the veins of our leaves using dark green sketch pen. After that, I'm making a pattern in the fish, the U shapes, and in the rock, we are going to make some irregular shapes, and then we are going to color in the remaining part and shade it with black sketch pen. After this, we are going to make a pattern in the tree. So first we are going to make a spiral structure like this. And then straight lines going up and down from it. And we are going to do the leaves next. So for this tree, we are making spiral structures for the texture using light green and dark green. After this, we are going to make patterns in the big rock. So here we are going to make a line and another line and some irregular patterns inside it. So basically like a rainbow shape and irregular shapes inside it. And like we did in the smaller stones, we are going to color the empty areas. You can also do it without making the lines, and we are going to make it without making the lines in the second stone. Now here, if you think your gap is too big, you can add smaller stones in it. Now the next stone. So in this one, we are only going to make irregular patterns without making the lines. Next, we are going to do the house door using purple sketch pen. We are going to make straight lines on it. And next, the windows. We are going to make simple pattern on them using dark blue sketch pen. After that, we are going to make lines on the house and make brick pattern. Using orange, you can also use brown color. Now for the roof and the circle, I'm using yellow color and red color in between two yellow lines for design. After this, we are going to make patterns in the pathway. So, in a shape, we are going to make a small rectangle and another line inside it and wavy pattern outside the square. After this, we are going to make patterns in the leaves of the second tree, just normal veins, and some curved structures using dark green and light green sketch pen. And for the stem we are using straight line. For the mountains we are going to make triangular structures with brown sketch pen. We leave little gaps, and after that we are going to make another line, each in between two brown lines, and some small black lines for a more realistic pattern, and triangular shape texture inside the rays, and spiral pattern inside the sun, curved structures in the clouds, and our drawing is done. Thanks for watching and bye.